So I'm going to read on my Kindle 50 Shades of Grey, chapter 8. My cat is here. Oh, come. Let me show you. Oh. And I'm very allergic to cats. It's actually my mum's cat, but I'm looking after him. So, okay, move now. Okay, go. So, I'm going to start with chapter 8, in the middle of chapter 8. We can start your training tonight with the basics. This doesn't mean I've come over all hearts and flowers. It's a means to an end. But one to that I want, and hopefully you do too. His gaze is intense. I flush. Oh my, wishes do come true. So, but I haven't done all the things you require from your list of rules. My voice is all breathy, hesitant. Forget about the rules. Forget about all those details. Tonight I want you. So, I've wanted you since you fell into my office, and I know you want me. My voice is like gone. And I know you want me. You wouldn't be sitting here calmly discussing punishment and hard limits if you didn't. Please, Anna, spend the night with me. He holds his hands out to me. His eyes are bright, fervent, excited, and I put my hand in his. He pulls me up and into his arms so I can feel the length of his body against mine. This swift action taking me by surprise. He runs his fingers around the nape of my neck, winds my ponytail around his wrist, and gently pulls so I'm forced to look up at him. He gazes down at me. You are one brave young woman, he whispers. I am in awe of you. His words are like some kind of My blood flames. He leans down and kisses my lips gently, and he sucks at my lower lip. I want to bite this lip, he murmurs, against my mouth, and carefully he tugs at it with his teeth. I moan and he smiles. Please, Anna, let me make love to you. Yes, I whisper, because that's why I'm here. His smile is triumphant as he releases me and takes my hand and leads me through his apartment. His bedroom is vast. The ceiling-height windows look out onto lit up Seattle high-rises. The walls are white and the furniture are pale blue. My leg is like shaking, I don't know why. Oh god, sorry. His bedroom is vast. The ceiling-height windows look out on lit up Seattle high-rises. The walls are white and the furnishings are pale blue. The enormous bed is ultra-modern, made of rough grey wood like driftwood, 4 posts but no canopy. On the wall above it is a stunning painting of sea. I am quaking like a leaf. This is it. Finally, after all this time, I'm going to do it with none other than Christian Grey. My breath is shallow and I can't take my eyes off him. He removes his watch and places it on top of the chest of drawers that matches the bed and removes his jacket, places it on a chair. He's dressed in his white linen shirt. He removes his watch and places it on, and removes his jacket, places it on a chair. He's dressed in his white linen shirt and jeans. He is heart-stoppingly beautiful. His dark copper hair is a mess, his shirt hanging out, his grey eyes bold and dazzling. He steps out of his Converse and reaches down and takes his socks off individually. Christian Grey's feet. Wow. What is it about naked feet? Turning, gazes at me, his expression soft. I assume you're not on the pill. What? Shit. I. Oh, that really hurt. What is that doing to me? I don't think so. He opens the top drawer of the chest and removes a packet of condoms. He gazes at me intently. Be prepared, he murmurs. Do you want the blinds drawn? I don't mind, I whisper. I thought you didn't let anyone sleep in my bed. Who says we're going to sleep? He murmurs. Oh, holy hell. He strolls slowly towards me, confident, sexy, eyes blazing, and my heart begins to pound. My blood's pumping through my body. Desire, thick and hot, pulls in my belly. He stands in front of me, staring down into my eyes. He strolls slowly towards me. He's so freaking hot. Let's get this jacket off, shall we? He says softly and takes hold of the lapel and gently slides my jacket off my shoulders. He places it on the chair. Do you Do you have any idea how much I want you, Anastil? He whispers. My breath hitches. I cannot take my eyes off his. He reaches up and gently runs his fingers down the cheek of my chin. Do you have any idea what I'm going to do with you? He adds, caressing my chin. The muscles inside the deepest, darkest part of me clench in the most delicious fashion. The pain is so sweet and sharp. I want to close my eyes, but I'm hypnotized by his eyes. I'm hypnotized by his eyes staring from. Leaning down, he kisses me. His lips are demanding, firm, and slow. Molding mine, he starts unbuttoning my shirt while he places feather-like kisses across my jaw, my chin, and the corners of my mouth. Slowly, he peels it off me and lets it fall to the floor. He stands back and gazes at me. I'm in the pale blue, lacy, perfect fit bra. Thank heavens. Oh, Anna, he breathes. You have the most beautiful skin, pale and flawless. I want to kiss every single inch of it. I flush. Oh my. Why did he say he couldn't make love? I will do anything he wants. He grasps my hair tie, pulls free, and grasps as my hair cascades down over my shoulders. I like brunettes, he murmurs. Both of my hands are in my grasp, in each side of my head. His kiss is demanding. His tongue. I'm gonna stop because I feel really sick. This cat needs to get out of my room. I feel really sick. Like, this whole thing is like soaking wet and I feel sick. Well, good. I might make another one. Thanks for watching.